Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through how to fix Secure Boot is not working properly. FACEIT. First, go to your search bar and find System Information. Click on it and wait for it to load. Once it loads, find Secure Boot State and check if it's enabled or not supported. If it says not supported, you might not be able to fix it. If you can, flash update your BIOS and try again. Make sure your BIOS is up to date. If it's turned off, find baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product. Take note of that information and open up your favorite browser. Type down the exact model of your baseboard and go to the manufacturer's website. Follow the prompts and enable Secure Boot. Restart your computer, press F2 or delete until the BIOS interface shows. Go to the boot section and enable CSM. Go to Security and enable Secure Boot or Custom. Save the changes and restart your computer. After that, we should be good to go. That's how you fix the Secure Boot issue while using FACEIT. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.